These brutally honest truths about love, mindset, and human behavior will hit you harder than you expect. Most people scroll past, but the ones who watch to the end, they walk away changed.
Maturity is when you love someone deeply, but you don't pressurize them to love you back. When a man hates himself, he takes it out on the woman who loves him. Always remember this. When you're single, all you see is happy couples. When you're committed, all you see is happy singles. According to study, most people hate their own voice on video or on a phone call. Being able to instantly respond with sarcasm to a silly question is a sign of a healthy brain. When you find a king, keep him. When you find a queen, love and protect her. Don't reshuffle your cards because you might end up picking a joker. Women get to a point in their life where it's not about sex anymore. It's about having a real man to love, trust, and have her back. Always go with the choice that scares you, because that is what is going to help you grow. No one in this world is pure and perfect. If you avoid people for their little mistakes, you will always be alone, so judge less and love more. If you knew how many men she turned down just to be with you, you would treat her better. A safe man comes into your life and loves you correctly. No sneaky stuff, no half-love, no extra females, no inconsistency, just you and you only, sis. In silence we must learn to let go. We must learn to come back to ourselves, to become free. If you wish to drown, do not torture yourself with shallow water. Don't waste words on people who deserve your silence. Sometimes the most powerful thing you can say is nothing at all. The people who are the most compassionate are often the ones who have been through the most pain. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. Psychology says the people who truly care about you will always find a way to make time for you. The difference between ordinary and extraordinary is that little extra. Psychology says the people who are the most successful are often the ones who didn't wait for the perfect moment. It takes a great deal of bravery to stand up to our enemies, but just as much to stand up to our friends. People who succeed have momentum. The more they succeed, the more they want to succeed, and the more they find a way to succeed. The best revenge on people who hurt you is to show them that your life is getting better after they're gone. Psychology says challenges are what make life interesting, and overcoming them is what makes life meaningful. The only way to have a good day is to start it with a positive attitude. The true test of character is not how much we know how to do, but how we behave when we don't know what to do. Pain alone is not enough to cause anger. Anger occurs when pain is combined with some anger-triggering thought. People who make the first move will be more attractive and get attracted. The clearest memories we have are often incorrect. Anxiety and depression disorders are closely related. Nearly 50% of those diagnosed with depression are also diagnosed with an anxiety disorder. Do not emotionally focus on another besides your spouse. It will negatively affect your communication with your spouse. If you admit your weakness for the sake of earning others' empathy, then you give a good chance for people to take advantage over your weakness. A jealous person will never be upfront about their feelings regarding you. They prefer to plaster on a fake smile and will act like they're sharing your happiness and wishing the very best for you. Research shows that long-term couples with deep, strong connections and successfully soothe each other in stressful situations, or when one of them experiences pain simply by holding hands. Guys have the ability to slow the aging process. Men tend to age better than women. They lose collagen density more slowly than women, which means their skin resists wrinkles and sagging as they get older. Praising effort encourages people to stretch themselves, work hard, and persist in the face of difficulties instead of praising them on their natural talent. Most people have a personality of making judgments about the way someone looks. Your facial features can give the impression of whether you want a serious relationship or not, which can either attract or turn away potential partners.